Maya and Lena. Hey there! Lena and I are heading camping, and we need our backpacks.
Yeah! Wow! Wow!
Mom, Lena and I are off camping.
Hey there! Do you think the girls will be okay going camping in those skirts?
I don't know.
Camping clothes should be comfortable and practical, like mine.
Wow!
Let's go and have a look what you can wear instead.
Go!
That won't do.
Glasses?
Only if they're for Lena. Maya, here we go. Some jeans and a t-shirt.
I'm ready!
Perfect. But what about your clothes?
Oh,
Uh-oh.
We need to change Lena's clothes too.
yeah. How's this?
Perfect.
We need some runners. I'll put on her jeans.
Well done. I'll do her runners.
And I'll put on her hairband. Oh, I don't know how.
Let me help you. Perfect. Maya, what have we forgotten?
To clean up afterwards.
Yeah!
Are we all ready?
Yeah.
Then let's go. We need to find a place to break camp.
Here.
Perfect. Clean up the mats and we'll make a meadow.
Mom, it's all clear.
Let's put up the tents.
Awesome!
This one's for Lena.
What about mine?
Just a sec.
Wow!
Wow!
Is it comfy?
Yeah!
Let's get a fire going. Maya, help me find some wood. There's some wood. Maya, what are we going to eat?
Huh?
Potatoes!
Is it for me?
Yep, I'm gonna eat some marshmallows.
Perfect.
Wow.
Mmm, so tasty.
Delicious. Dig in. They're yummy.
What else do people do around a campfire? They play the guitar.
One, two, three, four, and then five. In the pool, the fish will dive. 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. And now we will count all of them. Bianca has one little wish. She wants to be friends with the fish. She needs to count them once again. She will count from 1 to 10.
Do you like going camping? Then subscribe to our channel and watch the next episode of our show, Maya and Lena. Bye now.
Bye!